All right, so we're walking down the Arch Rock Viewpoint Trail.
Yeah.
And I don't know if you can't really tell from here because we're in the trees, but there's ocean all around us and it's going to be amazing. Here's Mr. Holdup at all times. Come on. Whoa. All right, here we come. This is not the main viewpoint, but it is still nice. Look at these cuties. Hi, Riley. Another angle of a gorgeous, I mean, nature walk at best, but still so cute. And the puppies are not getting exercise because they're too busy smelling everything.
Cooper.
Bye, Cooper.
Come on.
Jurassic Park. Hi.